In this video, we're diving into the world of Packhelp. We will explore what Packhelp is all about, its features, pros and cons, pricing, and more. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of whether Packhelp is the right software for you. And if you decide to give it a try, you can find a link in the description below to get started. So let's jump right into it. Introduction to Packhelp. Packhelp is like your online partner when it comes to packaging solutions. They've been in the game for a while, helping businesses of all sizes and order custom packaging. Whether you're a small startup or a well-established company, Packhelp aims to make the packaging process easier and more accessible for everyone. The good things about Packhelp. Custom packaging. One of the coolest things about Packhelp is their dedication to helping you create custom packaging that truly represents your brand. They offer a range of customizable options, from boxes and bags to labels and stickers. Online design tool. Packhelp provides an online design tool that allows you to easily create and visualize your packaging designs. This is a huge plus for businesses that want the full creative control. Eco-friendly options. In an age where sustainability matters, Packhelp offers eco-friendly packaging solutions. You can choose materials that are recyclable and environmentally friendly, which is a great way to show your commitment to the planet. Variety of products. Packhelp isn't limited to just one type of packaging. They offer a wide range of products. So whether you need a retail packaging, shipping boxes, or promotional materials, they've got you covered. Customer support. If you run into any issues or you have questions, Packhelp provides customers support to assist you. They understand that navigating packaging options can be daunting, especially for new businesses. Things to watch out for. Pricing. The cost of custom packaging can vary depending on your specific needs. It's important to keep in mind while Packhelp offers customization, it can be sometimes be pricier than generic packaging options. Minimum order quantities. Depending on what you're looking for, there might be and may be a minimum order quantities. This means you need to order a certain number of units, which could be a drawback for smaller businesses. Design expertise. Well, online design tool is a great for many businesses. If you have complex design needs or require high level of customization, you might need to hire a professional designer separately. How Packhelp works. Packhelp makes the process of creating custom packaging relatively straightforward. Here's how it works. 1. Choose your packaging type. You can start by selecting the type of packaging you need. This could be anything from card boxes to mailers or even custom tissue paper. Customize your design. Using their online design tool, you can add your branding, logos, colors, and any other design elements that you want to your packaging. This is where you can get creative and make your packaging unique. Select materials. Packhelp offers a range of materials, including eco-friendly options. You can choose what aligns the best with your brand and values. Place your order. Once you're satisfied with your design and you placed your order, you can wait for the delivery. Packhelp will then manufacture your custom packaging and it will deliver it to your doorstep. Other cool stuff. Packhelp provides a convenient online portal where you can access previous designs, making it easier to reorder or make modifications. This is especially handy if you have multiple packaging designs or need to reorder supplies regularly. Pricing with Packhelp. Pricing with Packhelp can vary widely depending on your specific requirements. Customization, materials, and quantity all play a role in determining the final cost. Unfortunately, Packhelp doesn't provide a specific pricing on their website, so you will need to reach out to them directly to get a quote tailored to your needs. What you get for free. Online design tool. You can use the online design tool at no additional cost to create and visualize your packaging. Design templates. They provide design templates to help you get started with your packaging design. access to eco-friendly materials, you can explore eco-friendly packaging options without any extra charge. Customer support. Packhelp offers customer support to assist you throughout the design and ordering process. Services you can pay for. Well, Packhelp offers many free services. There are additional services you can pay for, such as custom packaging printing. Depending on your design and branding needs, you might opt for custom printing, which can incur additional cost. Specialty materials. If you want to use premium or specialty materials for your packaging, these will come at an extra expense. Shipping cost. Don't forget to budget for shipping, as this can vary depending on your location and order size. Is backup reliable? As with any service, Packhelp's reliability can vary based on customer experience. It's a good idea to read reviews and reach out to their customer support to address any specific concurrence or questions you may have. Packhelp alternatives. If you're exploring alternatives to Packhelp, consider other packaging companies like U Printing, Custom Ink, or Printrunner. Each of these companies has its own strengths and weaknesses, so be sure to research and compare them to find the best fit for your business. Who should choose Packhelp? Packhelp is a great option for businesses looking to create custom packaging that wants to stand out. If you value creative control over your packaging design and want eco-friendly options, Packhelp could be a strong choice. However, keep in mind that it might be the best suited for businesses with larger orders or budgets for custom packaging. So it all depends on your business needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, Packhelp offers a valuable service for businesses looking to make a statement with their packaging. Whether you're a small business just starting out, or just starting a larger company looking to revamp your branding, Packhelp's customization options and eco-friendly materials could be a game changer for your packaging needs. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get started with Packhelp if it aligns to your business goals. And as always, research and compare to make the best decision for your specific needs. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful reviews and interesting insights. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.